Hello, my beautiful peaches. Welcome to my channel, Life with Zafira, and it's me, your host, Zafira. And before we get started, this is a sponsored ad for Vivifie. Ooh. So they reached out to me asking if I would like to do a collab with one of their products, and I said yes because the product they were offering was pretty interesting. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't fully know what it looks like. So if you want to see what we got, pull up a chair and let's get this baby open. So excited! Okay, had to go get some scissors because it still has the little plastic wrap on it. What I do like about their delivery is that it comes in discreet packaging. On the box, nowhere it doesn't say anywhere what it is, what it's for. It just says where it came from. So that's pretty cool. And as you can see, there's some black wrapping on here to cover up what's in the box. Okay. All right, so here is the back of the packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around so you can see what we got. Ta-da! This is what we got. So Vivifie. Vivify your moment. Spinner 3-in-1 vibration wand. Wow. Let's see what else it says on the box. Medical grade silicone. That's good. Strong 10 plus 10 plus 7 vibration. Exclusive spinning G-spot. And IPX6 waterproof. That's good. Let's see. It has more stuff on the back. Let's see what it says. Cleaning the product. Clean the product before and after each use. Okay. Lubricate use. Only use water-based lubricant. Other types of lubricant may damage the silicone surface. That's good to know. Charging recommendation. For the best user experience, fully charge the product before each use. Okay. Long-term storage. If storing for a long time, ensure the product is fully charged and safely stored in the accompanying pouch out of reach of children. More information, you can visit their website. And let's see, that is it. So let's get this baby open. There we go. I really love the packaging. Vivify your moment. Right? Let's get her open. Okay. So far, it's just straight to the product itself. And they picked the color for me. All right, it looks like it is pink. It is a very pretty color. I really like that. It's very a soft pink. Very, very soft. Everything feels pretty soft. And it looks really good quality. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so you have a user manual. You have a charger without the little USB block, but that's okay. And you have the accompanying pouch that they would like for you to store in there. So I'm sure you can store your little charger in there and all that. So we'll just put that back so that way we can look through everything. Let's see. Okay, so press and hold the button to turn it on and then tap it to change the vibration. So it looks like the middle button controls this part here, and that is the vibration going on there. Just making it go higher. Okay, so there's other modes. It really vibrates. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, all right. So the top button activates the little wheel part of this. So it looks like it has 3 buttons that control 3 different types of things going on here. So you have a button to control the vibrations here on the front. You have vibrations controlled for the whole thing itself. And then you have a button that controls the wheel. That is really interesting. This is really, really interesting. This is not something that I have seen before, but I love that it has so many different customizations when it comes to using it. And you can press the middle button, the power button, to turn it all off, or just go and individually press them if you don't want them on. But that is really neat. I feel like this is going to be a really good toy. Wow. We're definitely going to have to give this a try. But let's see what else they have for us to learn about this new toy. Okay, let's read the description from the website because I feel like I don't want to miss anything, so it's best to pull straight from the website. Okay, introducing the Vivifie Windmill Sex Toy, a luxurious patent-protected pleasure device designed for modern women. Unlike traditional vibrators, our exclusive windmill-inspired rotating tongue system targets your G-spot, A-spot, and clitoris simultaneously, delivering multi-dimensional stimulation like never before. The heart of Vivify lies in 10 ultra-soft rotating silicone pedals. Wow. So, 10 there. Nothing. Spinning at 24 licks per second. Wow. To create a rhythmic, tongue-like pressure whether you're exploring solo or with a partner. This next-gen sex toy brings relentless intensity that builds and releases in waves. No guessing, just results. Vivify is built for women who crave more depth, more discovery, more orgasm. Perfect for anyone seeking stronger G-spot experiences or tired of dull, linear toys. Stimulates G-spot, A-spot, and clitoris together. 10 licking pedals rotating at 24 licks. 3 powerful motors at and 10 plus 7 times 2 vibration and spinning modes. Luxury medical grade silicone, magnetic charging, full body waterproof, ultra quiet, so it can't be heard. That's good. And they come with a warranty, 10 years. That's awesome. And what else comes with? It comes with 2 days delivery, 30-day return. So if you're not happy with it, you have 30 days. And then, like I said, a 10-year warranty guarantee. That is really awesome. I am super excited that Vivify chose me to do this collab and test out and talk about their new windmill toy that they have. I am excited to show this off on my other sites. But yeah, girls, definitely give this a try. I will give you my honest review after using it so that way you know that I am not just getting this and saying, oh, it's great when it isn't. So we're going to test it out and give you our honest review. So, all right, give me a second, YouTube. We'll be back. Okay, we're back, my peaches, and we have tested out our Vivify windmill sex toy. And 1010 recommend. I suggest you get one of your very own. So go ahead and check out my description below for a link and use code Saphira to get 10% off. This toy will make you very happy. And if this isn't something that you would use, if you want to get it for your partner, they'll be very happy. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, my peaches. Hopefully y'all have a great day. Thank you for hanging out with me while we unbox our new toy. Hopefully y'all had some fun while we talked about it, learned about it. And if you want to see how the testing went, you can check out my other links in my bio. But I'll see y'all again. Oh, and if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and go ahead and share and turn on the little bell to be notified of any future videos. All right, I'll see y'all again, my peaches. Bye.
Thanks for watching.